guys, welcome back to my channel, Generation Eats. We are back with a brand new mukbang, McDonald's. So I am still in between, obviously right now it's the quarantine, so can't really go like shopping or whatever, but eventually I will be getting a camera for this purpose, but for now, this is gonna have to do. So I'm sorry if you can't see. Put them right here. I have some 20-piece nuggets. I have a McDouble. I have the spicy McChicken, some fries. To drink, I have a sweet tea. Can't really see the sauces, but I have barbecue, ranch, hot mustard. I also have, this is from Popeyes, but it's one of my favorite sauces. It's the sweet heat. Love those. And then you guys are probably going to see me like grabbing a red jar. This is called lutenica. It's Bulgarian. It's so good. It's like a roasted tomato pepper sauce. I'm sure you guys can hear the meowing in the background. That is my new kitten that I got for my birthday. Her name is Nyla. She will be making a appearance. She's very needy because she's only a baby. Nyla! Come here, Nyla! She can hear my voice right now, but I'm gonna go get her. Excuse me. Okay, this is Nyla. Hi, Nyla. Look, my baby girl. So, she is only 5 weeks old. Go play. Sorry, when I went to pick her up, she was like kind of wet. I don't know if she stepped in her water bowl or what, but anyway. So I'm gonna have a story time, so I'll tell you guys all about her. But first, let's dig in because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since last night. I actually wasn't gonna film. I wasn't gonna do this one because with the quarantine and all, it's like my eyebrows aren't done, not feeling very cute, you know, so but I was so hungry. I ordered a lot of food and I was like, well, if I'm gonna record, if I'm gonna eat all this food, might as well record. So French fries. Okay, so yeah, my birthday was on April 5th. And because of the quarantine, obviously I didn't get to like do anything, but my boyfriend made it really special. He got me a kitten, so that's how I got Nyla. I'd been wanting a kitten for a while, so they told us that she is 8 weeks old, and typically like 8 weeks old is when you can take them like from their moms and whatever. I've never had a kitten before, so I didn't know how small they are or really anything. So when I got her, I was like, wow, she's so small. She's so cute. She's tiny. We took her to PetSmart. We bought a bunch of supplies, toys. And while we were setting up the litter box, I turned around for 1 second, didn't know where she was. She was hiding in a shoe. It was the cutest thing ever. So we got her a little collar that has a little like bell on it, so I can always hear where she is. So then I made the appointment for her vet. You guys are gonna learn this about me. I dunk everything in sauces. I love like so much sauce. So I made her vet appointment. And because of the quarantine, you can't really go inside. So when you get to the parking lot, you call them and they come and they take the pet. So they came and they took her. The vet is like really close to my house, so I decided while she was in the appointment, I was gonna come back home. So I'm at home. Not too long after, they called me to come pick her up. And they told me that they couldn't give her her vaccines because she's too young. And they're like, she's actually not 8 weeks old. She's anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks old. But because she's eating kitten food, playing, she's like fine, has a lot of energy. I don't need to give her like milk supplements or anything, but I mean, I'm so happy that she's healthy and she's so loving. And I think because she's so small, it gives us like a really special bond to have because she's really affectionate. Like she always wants to be on my lap. And that's what I wanted. I wanted a really, really loving kitten. But I felt so bad that she was so young and taken from her mom. Sorry, the lighting. I think one of the light bulbs is going out, so it's like... So now I see why they say adopt, don't shop. Please don't give me hate. She was a present for me. I didn't know where she was coming from. And on top of that, because of the quarantine, all the shelters are closed for adoptions anyway, so I couldn't have, and that was the plan. We had planned to adopt a kitten in spring, because like a couple months ago we were looking into it, and they said to come back in spring when they have all the kittens. But regardless, like, this kitten needed a home anyway, you know? But I was like, I just can't imagine why they would lie and say that she was 8 weeks old when she wasn't. And obviously, like, I'm already way too attached to her, so it's not like I'm gonna, like, give her back. But just think that was really messed up. And I'm hoping it's not because, like, how they're saying that, like, animals can get it now, apparently, or, well, cats can. So maybe they were just trying to get rid of it. I love her. I love her. She was like the best birthday present. She is really the sweetest. In my last video, when I was talking about like my pets, I said I had a fish. Now I have a kitten. I still have my fish. I keep him in my room. And Nyla has the whole house, so. I'm still too scared to sleep with her at night because she's so small. So for now, the first night I slept with her in my room, but I slept on the floor with her. I didn't get any sleep that night. Night 2, I was like, why don't I put her in the bathroom? So I put like, it was like safe, it was like empty. She was not in danger, she's perfectly fine. I put her bed in there. She slept the whole night. Of course, I woke up early in the morning, checked on her, brought her out. And we did that for a couple of nights. And I leave like 2 night lights on for her. And then I started reading that like, because she's so small, you should put her in a crate to sleep. I felt bad doing it, but I was like, okay, well, if that's where she's the safest, let me do it. So we did. She didn't mind it until last night. Last night she meowed so much that I was like, okay, I guess she wants to be in the bathroom. Pretty soon I'm gonna let her sleep with me because she needs me and I need her. I love the spicy McChicken. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, I will be doing giveaways on this channel. I'm thinking my first giveaway is gonna be when I get to 100 subs. Nyla! 100 subs, and then I'll do a nice giveaway. I've noticed that a lot of mukbangers that I'm watching, because of the quarantine, a lot of them have like been doing a lot of like home cooked meals. I was just out running a bunch of errands with a mask, with gloves, all the works. And I figured while I'm out, let me just get something to eat because I haven't had food since yesterday. And here we are. I've been really looking for a bike. So I need to get out of the house. Going crazy. How are you guys holding up? This is the sauce. I ordered it online. It's like from a European like facility, I guess. You can eat it with anything. She is just playing around. So yeah, so for my birthday, because I couldn't really do anything, I had a like a video conference chat with a bunch of my friends. We drank, we talked, we played games. It was a lot of fun. I mean, obviously it wasn't the same as like all getting together, but it was nice because some of my friends live out of state. So they probably couldn't have made it if we like went out anyway. So it was kind of nice because like this way they could still be a part of it. You guys should do it if you guys miss your friends. We did it on Zoom, but you could do it on like, I think Facebook is doing like a multi-person video. I'm really weird because I love pickles. But I have to eat them separately. I don't like them in my sandwich. Does anyone else do that? Sorry, I keep looking around just because I just want to see what she's doing. It really is like having a kid. I mean, I don't have a kid, but I'm a preschool teacher, so I have like 13 kids. Who else has been quarantined? I mean, obviously. Who else has been furloughed because of the quarantine? I guess the idea of it, like in theory, if you had asked me months ago, like, oh, would you have liked to like stay home for a while? I would be like, oh my God, yes. But now that it's happening, it's so scary. And I really wish I could go back to work. I miss my job. I miss the kids. I miss having something to do. I miss being needed. I miss having a paycheck. Hey, Mama. You're so cute. Okay, we're gonna take, I mean, it's too late now, but I was gonna say we're gonna take a thumbnail, but almost all the food's gone. Oops. Can you guys tell I'm new to this? Please feel free to leave me comments with any suggestions, tips. I would love to do a Q&A eventually. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm really craving spaghetti. So I'm thinking my next video is gonna be like a a video where I show you how to make it and then eat it. I think I'm gonna make Filipino spaghetti. For those of you who have not ever had it, you need to try it. My friend's mom used to make it. And whenever she made it, my friend would bring me some. And then one day I was like, okay, look, you're just gonna have to tell me how she makes this. So she texted, like her mom texted me a whole like step-by-step on how to do it. And once I make that, I kind of can't go back to making any other spaghetti. It's hard to ask somebody who loves food what their favorite food is. But that scared me, sorry. But if I had to pick one, I mean, I couldn't pick one, but definitely one of my favorites, if not my favorite, is spaghetti. I just love pasta. Nyla. Last bite. I love onions. And that's all for today, folks. I'm stuffed. Absolutely stuffed. Okay, I'm stuffed. Remember, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below. I love to hear from you. And Nyla and I are out. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like.